This is Tom Sansone from National Property Inspections, and I am sometimes amazed at what people do. You're looking at a wire coming out of an outlet, and it's being run over and connected in to a plug, and then the plug is being run over to the light fixture over here. But you can see how they connected it. You can't just connect bare wires to a plug like that. They did coat it with some kind of a, looks like a plastic coating, but that's still not an approved wiring method. It's unsafe. This should be corrected. Tom Sansone, National Property Inspections, and these are the kind of crazy things that we see on home inspections.